We begin here at 5 tonight with new developments in the coronavirus pandemic.
President Biden sets a deadline for new vaccine mandate rules for people working at companies with more than 100 employees. And also today, New York City started vaccinating children as young as 5 and also announced plans to offer the vaccine in New York City schools. All of this as the World Health Organization warned that Europe is facing a potentially devastating winter that could lead to 500,000 more COVID-19 deaths. CBS 2's Aundrea Cline-Thomas live in Chelsea for us with more on the efforts here to fight the spread. Aundrea.
Well, this is one of many sites that are serving 5 to 11-year-olds. And today, the city said that it is extending its incentive program, offering $100 to families for every child who comes to get a shot.
A steady stream of parents with their kids in tow arrived at the City Field vaccination site.
We've been waiting to get the green light. We're ready to go.
Starting today, Pfizer vaccines are now available to children 5 to 11 years old at city-run sites, adding to hospitals, pharmacies, and doctors' offices. Vaccination clinics will begin at public schools starting next week.
I just really wanted to be able to see my friends again.
5 to 11-year-olds receive a smaller dose of the shot. City health officials say could prevent 38,000 cases of COVID if every young child gets vaccinated.
If you have an 11-year-old, don't wait till they're 12. Vaccinate now. This vaccine will give them sufficient immunity, and you don't want to wait and take the chance that they be exposed.
Meantime, remaining unvaccinated will become even harder for adults. The federal government announced a new mandate for businesses with more than 100 people, requiring employees to be fully vaccinated or submit to weekly testing starting on January 4th.
We wish it had come earlier, but it's here now, and employers strongly support it.
Catherine Wild says it will allow more people to return to work in person, providing a long-awaited boost to the economy.
Policies are consistent across the board, so people are not able to say, well, my boss is requiring this and your boss is requiring that. This gives them a level of certainty that I think is going to encourage more people to get vaccinated.
Well, at least that is the hope. But as you know, many of these mandates often come with pushback. But this mandate does require employers to set aside paid time off for employees to get vaccinated. Reporting live in Chelsea, Aundrea Cline-Thomas, CBS 2 News.
Okay, Aundrea, thank you. And we know many of you have questions and concerns about the COVID vaccine for children. Contact us at cbsnewyork.com to submit your questions. Just click on the vaccine questions button. We will get answers for you in an upcoming town hall on CBS and New York.